Good evening, friends. I have promised you that I will be speaking on some beauty therapy. I have seen many people are not looking into the mirror of the fear of looking bad. They are losing their confidence. People on the road, they are always commenting, hey, you have become fat now. Hey, you have become thin now. Why like this? Why people want to interfere with your body and with your face? they have they don't have any other work, it seems. So they go on commenting and entertaining themselves. But if you want to become really beautiful, beautiful means not like Hollywood or Bollywood heroines or heroes. You should like yourself. That is the secret of this. If you like yourself, everybody will like you. So before going too much into that, let us start our lecture. You know, it is said, I think it is in the Bible, God made man in his own image. So when you appreciate God, when you like God, when you say that God is beautiful, then you are also beautiful. Depends who is looking at you. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Okay? Some people say, oh, you look beautiful. Some people say, oh, you look tired. Don't bother about all these things. But now I am going to teach you something very important about your face. See, I am 75 years old, but I like myself. I am very active. I am doing a lot of work. I am teaching, I am playing music, I am developing music, I am composing music, I am doing music programming. So many things I am doing. And that is what keeps me fit, active, and also I am beautiful. You see my zygoma here like this. Okay? So how to do all these things? For me it may be natural, or since I am doing acupuncture for so many years. So I told you God made you in his own image. Now let us see what is in your face. The face is a reflection of all internal organs. And we have 12 systems, 12 organs and 12 meridians, 8 extra meridians. All are reflecting on your face. So I have done facial diagnosis in China when I was taking training. My teacher, she was a very old woman, but we 8-10 people were sitting there. The first German person, she caught hold and told him, it is your third marriage. So we were all surprised, how? It is also written on your face. So when she looked at me, she told me, you have cardiovascular problem. And really after some years, it came out. My friend was told that he has kidney problem and now his kidney is transplanted. So friends, let us now start our subject. So on your face, these are the kidneys, okay? Now, these are lungs and liver. They are upper lungs, then lower cheeks, mouth, here, mouth, upper cheeks, lungs, then kidney, then this is liver here. So many people say many things about this. Chin is small intestine, so it comes from top to bottom like that. So many people say this is spleen, stomach, gallbladder, etc. So if your organs are in good health, it should reflect on your face. Your face will become shiny. In our acupuncture theory, we say heart controls complexion. Heart controls complexion. Small blood vessels. They're all controlled by heart. And if they are healthy, you will be in the pink of health. So heart has to be healthy. All these vessels which go up to the face should be full volume, not obstructed. So massage is important here. So heart is important for complexion. Kidney is important for bones and also eyes. Liver is important for eyes. Liver opens to eyes. Teeth, kidney. Ear, kidney. Then where are the Yang-Ming channels? Large intestine and stomach. See, this is large intestine, LI20, and this is ST1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, masseter muscle, 7, and finally 8, and then back, come here and down. So mainly two important meridians, stomach and large intestine, they are covering your face. So at the age of 40, stomach and large intestine start losing their chi. Therefore, you will start getting sagging and wrinkles here. So stomach and large intestine channels always must be healthy. Okay? How will you do it? I will tell you. So there are rules for anti-aging. So when you follow those rules, your face will always look fresh, shining, and very positive. You have to control your anger. Every time you go on shouting at somebody or making complaints, then here you will have a wrinkle. Every time you shout, you will make your face like this, and after some days, this soft tissue will become like this only. So you will appear to other persons as an angry person, or you don't like to see that person. But if your face is like this, everybody will like you. Don't be angry unnecessarily, and not every day. Smiling, yes, very important. Smiling also very important because it gives exercise. See, stomach and large intestine are getting exercise. In your laughing club, they will not tell you these things, but they will make you very good practical. There is another way. So you puncture LI4 point. Where is LI4? When the thumb is adducted on the second finger, the point LI4 lies at the tip of the mold formed on the dorsal side of the hand. Always points का जो पता है वो exact देना है, नहीं तो दूसरी जगह चला जाएगा. If I say the point is in between this and this finger and on this side, then it is wrong. It should be on the dorsal side. So puncture LI4 every day for 20 minutes, any hand, for one full 1 month. And then you see your face. Take a photograph first day, take a photograph after 30 days. Then give moxibustion on ST36 point, stomach 36. That will improve your yang. Yang always goes up, so it will go to the face, make your face beautiful. Where is ST36? ST36 is 3 kun below the lower border of the patella and 1 finger breadth at the lower border of the lateral to the lower border of the process of the tibia, tibial tuberosity. So puncture this point every day. Also, every 3 months or every season change, you give moxibustion to ST36 point for the first 10 days of the month. That is an anti-aging point. See, when you treat your stomach and spleen correctly, eat good food, have good nutrition, Take time to chew food. Don't watch TV while eating. Then your spleen will extract very nice, top quality essence and then send it to kidneys. So stomach and spleen, when they are rich with this essence, they give energy to what? Lung and large intestine. And you know large intestine comes here. So large intestine is in good condition. Also by giving ST36 moxibustion, ST37 moxibustion, your large intestine function becomes much better. It produces vitamin K. All the water absorbed properly, defecation is proper. So you are not making exclamations on face while defecation. That will create wrinkles. So you must have good defecation every day. I told you 2 points. Which are these two? Li4 and ST36. Now heart also controls complexion. So give yawn source point of the heart H7 here every day for 10 days. Don't manipulate too much. Just put a needle. Heart controls complexion. Liver controls eyes. So give liver 3. This forehead is controlled by what? Meridian, gallbladder. So you treat GB34 or yawn source point of gallbladder. Give yin tongue point here. Do meditation. Okay. Then about aging. Every organ is aging right from the day you were born or even before that. But at the age of 25, your rate of dead cells become more than the cells which are getting regenerated. So therefore, friends, after the age of 25, you will start aging faster. Okay? Now, there is another very, very good treatment for beautification and health of all the organs. So, ECIWO is a method of acupuncture. Every cell in the body, some long form is there, knows all about everything. So, every cell knows everything. So, when you puncture this area, or before that, you just try to see which area is paining. Oh, here there is pain. So, gallbladder is paining. Okay? So, puncture this needle here. So, gallbladder will start flourishing. Okay? And then, this area will start flourishing. Suppose the pain is at the large intestine area, then this area will start flourishing. So, all the face will become flourished and you will have best quality of your facial complexion. Friends, you must always use auricular massage also, because the auricle is the reflection of the whole body. This is your brain, this is your spine, etc. So you give massage to all the ear every day. You can give massage to your nose also, like this. Then you do some eye exercises, looking near, looking long, looking near, looking long, then turning the eyes, then closing the eyes tight and opening it, closing and opening it, like that. And then you do palming exercise. You have to look inside the dark field, inside. That will also do calming. Also, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. By keeping these two fingers here, will also relax the whole face. So friends, doing ECIWO, Li4, ST36, massage, good nutrition and meditation, eye exercises, all these things, and also you must wear proper clothing. Some people look very good in white, some people look in pinks, because that light passes on your face, you look so good. So friends, I think this much is sufficient for beautification. Today you take your photograph, and after 30 days you take your photograph. You will be surprised how beautiful you are looking after 30 days. Thank you very much and have a good day.